Oh, damn.
What's in the box?
This is insane. Alex doesn't know this is coming.
This is massive. All right, Tony, what's going on?
We just got a very large package. I have a sneaking suspicion that it's a built engine for the silver Aventador SVJ. I gotta inspect it, make sure everything's good with it. Alex is at the new shop, so I'm gonna take care of it for him. Let's go open a crate.
Oh, damn.
So this is the same silver Aventador that we have a few videos on it already. Originally, the customer wanted this built engine, but he didn't want to wait for it. We put the car together for him on a stock motor setup. Now that all this stuff is coming in and the car was already on the West Coast for SEMA, we've had the car at the shop for about a month or two, but now this is all ready to be installed into the car. So we got to unbox it, inspect it, make sure everything's good. We could probably roll the car in next week, pull the engine out, do what we need to do to get the fueling and whatnot ready, and then we can drop this bad boy in, tune it, and we have more horsepower. This is the original engine from the car, and then we shipped it out to Magnus, our boy Marco, because he has the machines required to do the machine work, and he also has the know-how on how to assemble this thing. And 12 strong cylinders now. We're gonna make some power. All right, big reveal, big reveal.
Good results.
Sheesh! Look at that.
22R.
Okay, so I'd prefer not to open the packaging until we're absolutely ready to put it in. We'll start working on the car, getting the car taken apart, getting the old motor out so that we can start putting this guy in and turn up the boost so we can party. Let's get it done.
We are here with the Filipino gang behind me, Filipino 1, Filipino 2. They're gonna teach you how to do
Tuturuan kita
Tuturuan kita
para magkarate.
para makarate. Tuturuan kita para makarate. Ooh.
Tuturuan ko kayo paano magkarate.
The Aventador built motor has arrived from the machine shop. Our machine shop, our only sweet Italian Sicilian girlfriend, Marco Magnus, has assembled the motor and sent it back. We are pulling out the motor out of the crate, take it inside, and get ready to install it into the SVJ, turn this up, and hopefully make about 1700 wheel. Let's do this. Hey, who the hell let this guy operate this thing? Hey, Mr. George, we built this car, made 1200 wheel. The customer wanted more power. This was supposed to go into my car, but we want to get the customer's car out of here first. Can't wait to put this thing in, make 1700 wheel, get it running, get it on the dyno, turn it up, 1700 wheel, 2000 horsepower car, go rip it. We got my buddy Mo's car behind me, Mo Shalizi. Some of you might know him, pretty cool guy. Done a great job managing some big guys in the music industry. He freaking kills it. He just got this car. It got shipped to us from Nevada and it'll be going back to Nevada. It's actually about to come get picked up by the transport. It was at RDVLA before it got to us, and our buddy Vic over there just did the suspension and the wheels and so on. It's beautiful, nice HRE wheels, Novitec suspension, and then it came to us for the F1 package. So on this one, we spent a little bit more time, did a little differences on the exhaust system because we wanted to try to get it to sound as close as we can to the 812. Now, you can't get this car to sound exactly like the 812 because the headers on this car are designed differently than the 812 is. The 812 is a little more high pitched than this car. It just revs out a little different. The setup's a little different compared to the GT4 Lusso. It's probably the best GT4 Lusso you'll ever hear. We're gonna start it up, rev it up a couple times, and then we'll deliver it to our boy and let him go have fun in Nevada, ripping around and enjoying his car.
Let's rev it up.
That was with the valves open. Obviously, you know, this car is a comfortable car that you drive around, and I'm sure Mo's gonna be on the phone having, you know, manager calls and so on. So we put valves on it for him. I just shut the valves off.
Wow.
You can see the difference in sound. So that's with the valves closed. So at least when he's chilling and driving around, and he could, you know, tame it down so he doesn't have all the drone inside the cabin, and he could actually talk on the phone. And, you know, sometimes you go home late at night, you're tired, you don't want to listen to that the whole way. So you could just hit a button and quiet it down, and that's it, be comfortable, and then hit another button and it's all hell breaks loose. is literally ear piercing. I was standing behind it today in the morning when the guy started it, and dude, honestly, it makes your ears ring.
Yeah, it's the loudest thing I've ever heard.
Yeah, and it sounds great. I love it. I love the way it turned out, and hopefully Mo enjoys it. That's the most important thing.
So our buddy Tim from Gintani, New York, owns an energy drink company called Golden Eagle Energy, and he saw our video where Alex was complaining about us not having enough energy, and that we needed an energy drink sponsor. So our boy hooked us up with a full pallet of his company's energy drink. So we're gonna unload it off the truck, and we're gonna try it and see how good it is.
We're gonna keep all this.
Yeah, this is massive.
I was told to keep it a secret, so Alex is surprised.
This is not a secret.
But Alex wasn't here when the truck rolled up, so here we are. Alex doesn't know this is coming.
Still be a surprise, I
It'll
guess,
still
right?
be a surprise. He'll show up to a bunch of energy drinks.
I mean, we'll probably finish this whole pallet in like a week, honestly.
We're gonna get a heart attack.
It's 2,800 cans.
We're gonna get a heart attack before we finish that shit.
This is insane.
Golden Eagle.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Shout out Golden Eagle.
Who sent us that?
The guys over in New York.
But Tim sent this.
What are we gonna do with all this, bro? Whose energy drink is this? Yours? Golden Eagle? It's from Albania? Is it really? What does it taste like? It says straight like a...
It does smell like. It's bomb.
Bomb?
Tastes like.
Oh my god.
Just keep it away from Carlos, bro. I swear to God, that guy will have...
I mean, how do we keep this away?
Thank you, Golden Eagle.
Golden Eagle, baby.
What's going on with you, Tony?
What's up, baby? Putting the McLaren together, so I'm putting the exhaust in right now. I'm gonna put the wastegates on, start plumbing all the vacuum lines, put the throttle bodies on, get it ready for the dyno. This car's gonna be fast. It's
Why
gonna
is
be
this guy
sick.
so excited? Why are you so like,
What's there not to be excited about, Alex?
we're gonna do this and we're gonna do that. We ain't gonna do This car's still sitting on the lift, bro. You gotta get it off the lift to be able to do something.
I'm working on
You
it.
better work faster.
You guys keep making me do other stuff like work on your piece of BMWs.
It's not nice.
Watch this, Lise. You can actually pinpoint the second when his heart rips in half. And now.
That's not nice. That's actually racist.
How's it racist?
Because that's racism towards BMWs. You see me sitting here and talking. What's wrong with that guy? Sounds like there's a gorilla in the shop. Ooh, there's seriously something wrong with Kevin.
What seems to be the problem?
There's a couple.
I think we're gonna have to get him checked out.
That's not gonna help. Well, if this car ever gets off the lift, you guys. Bro, there's seriously. There's seriously something wrong with that kid. I think he's an alien.
He escaped the Matrix.
Maybe he fell out of the balloon.
The Chinese balloon?
The Chinese balloon.
This 200-foot tall Chinese balloon was shot down on Saturday.
Maybe he's one of their robots.
No.
They sent over to work for us. China, did you send a robot over to work for us? We just had this car right here, this beautiful matte red SVJ shipped down to us from out of state. And we got Ernie the Bernie, our new tech right here, taking the car apart and getting ready to install our F1 system.
All right, Ernie. Looks like we got something on there. What are we doing?
It's a Gintani F1 exhaust. Rear bumper comes off, the wing comes off. Gotta move a bunch of stuff to get to the exhaust. Gotta get the heat shield back on, and then the wing, the bumper, the fender liners.
Oh, that's sitting pretty. You didn't miss any welds, right?
Not like Paul. I'm not trying to get blasted up, bro. We already learned that lesson. Oh, I already broke my legs that day too.
Yeah, we are actually gonna need an instant replay on Kevin breaking his leg because
Almost.
I've watched that clip at least like a million times.
Bad boys. What you all working on?
Huh?
What you working on?
What am I listening to?
Yeah, what are you listening to?
Love You Like a Love Song by Selena Gomez.
What are you listening to?
Friday by Rebecca Black.
What you working on right now?
SV header extensions.
SB rear section coming in hot and heavy.
Real hot. And then the header extensions to that rear section. So, you know, me and Paul, we're just two peas in a pod back here.
You get rid of one, the other one's got to go too, you know? Then you don't got no exhaust at all.
Oh, damn, that thing is bright.
Why is the light spicy, Tony?
It's so spicy. Whoa, damn. Added some color on that?
All titanium, SVJ exhaust, coming in hot. I added a little bit of heat, House of Flames.
What kind of car is that for? You hear this, Phil?
You got it right?
What is it for?
Lamborghini.
No. Do you know which one?
What Lamborghini?
Yours.
Mine? No, mine's at home. Which Lamborghini? SVJ. Nice.
Yeah. He knows his stuff.
Yeah, he knows his stuff.
How's it look, Vinny? Thumbs up?
Vinny,
Thumbs
did he
down?
do a good job? Did Paul do a good job?
Thumbs up or thumbs
Yes or
down?
no? Hey, give it the thumbs up. The Vinny thumbs up. He approves.
Vinny approval. The only way.
One more thing. We're close to 100K, Alex. Anything you want to say to our beloved supporters?
I didn't think we would be getting close to 100K this quick. I mean, I think it's pretty quick. I don't know. I see that you guys are enjoying the content and we're going to try to give you guys more and more. We're doing our best to try to keep it, you know, fun, educational. It's not all about just showing you guys the builds of the cars or dyno runs and stuff like that, but to have you guys live the life we live here every single day and see what we go through and how our relationship is between us as a family, because we're a family over here. So we have a lot of fun. You know, we got a lot of funny characters. I'm a character myself. We're just trying to give you guys some entertainment, not be like every other YouTube channel. We want to be a little different and let's keep growing so we could do more and more for you guys. And I mean, we're loving it. We want to give you guys more. So again, thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for following us. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the likes. We do this for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it.
What should we do for 100K?
I want to rent out a track, private track day. Once our shop cars are ready, then we'll take all the cars out and
I think
have
we're
some
gonna hit
fun.
100K before the shop cars are ready.
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, right there.
I mean, as you guys know, we're going through a move. We're gonna set up some new stuff right now. We're turning into more of the maintenance service center over here. But we have a lot of customers that contact us for maintenance and taking care of their cars on a regular basis. We're gonna start taking work in like that. We got a few of our own cars, my cars that are project cars. We're gonna get the 992 in hopefully by next week and start putting that thing together because I need a car to drive. We're gonna wait for the new location to put the SVJ together. We'll probably wait for the new location to put the 720 back together. And then we got my 993 Carrera that we're building, and I'm gonna do something crazy on that. We'll probably build those cars all over there. The car that we'll build here will be the 992. And we'll be working here as we're getting the other place set up so we don't have any downtime because we have a lot of projects for customers. We got 2 Aventadors coming from New York. We got an Aventador from Florida. We got an Aventador from Connecticut. We have Aventador from Canada, Damon's and Dave's car. We got my Aventador. Then we're gonna be flying out to Australia. To Perth and Melbourne. So we're gonna do a 2-week trip with a couple of the guys. We'll be flying out to Australia. We're gonna be installing one car in Melbourne, which is for my buddy Adrian Ortelli. We're gonna go install his car, get it all tuned up, leave, fly down to the other side of Australia, go to Perth and build another one. And hopefully we're gonna be doing builds like this all around the world. We're getting a lot of interest in the Aventador stuff and we want to keep quality control, so it's better for us to fly out there and install the stuff ourselves. So you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of that too. A lot of our tuning trips, traveling around the world. So a lot of cool stuff coming up. Just hang in there with us.
Mr. Worldwide. We're gonna put his face on there.
This guy thinks he's like Puff Daddy, bro. Bad Boy Records. We don't do no Bad Boy Records stuff here. This is Death Row. We don't need our producer dancing all up in the back of the videos, always in the videos. You're not Suge Knight. You're nowhere close to Suge Knight. You're Puff Daddy, bro. That's Suge Knight.
Who are you then?
That's Suge Knight right there. Yo, Suge. Hey, you. Yeah, this guy just destroyed my helmet. So we had a great idea for our 100,000 subscribers giveaway. And there's a reason why Nick John NJ back there is holding one of my helmets that we use at the track. So what we're gonna do is for the 100,000 subscriber giveaway, we're gonna make a custom helmet. We're gonna sign it, the whole shop, including myself. Everybody will sign it. It'll be pretty cool. We'll put some Gintani graphics all over that thing. And whoever is the one that Puff Daddy over here selects, they're gonna be the ones who get it as a giveaway and a thank you to all of you guys for subscribing and for helping us has reached 100,000. And obviously, as we go and the more subscribers we get and the bigger the channel grows, we're going to be doing other giveaways like this and, you know, giving you guys some t-shirts, sweaters. That's just a thank you from us, Puff Daddy, Suge Knight.
Also, we're gonna add some apparel, a bunch of apparel for the winner.
And we're taking it out of Puff Daddy's cut. Add a bunch of
For
apparel.
you guys.
And Puffy ain't gonna get a cut out of it. It's coming out of his money. We don't do no bad boy. This is Death Row Records over here, West Side, you know what I'm saying? West Side, my hand's up, but I can still do it. Thank you. Peace out.